Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Dyson V7 Trigger Vacuum and then share my Dyson Customer Service experiences with you. Hey, a person's got to vent sometimes, helps me feel better, and informs you of what to possibly expect. So first I'll tackle the repair while providing a few helpful pointers that go beyond Dyson's own YouTube videos, then the tantrum. Well, not really tantrum. And you may notice my shirt looks funny. That's because I'm wearing it backwards. I really wanted to wear it today. Brings out my eyes. But I don't have a license to show you the print. Awkward. As always, see the information section below if you'd like to jump to a specific section of the video. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Be sure to remove any nozzle accessories and empty the vacuum over a garbage can. I know it seems obvious you'd empty it over a garbage can, but a minute ago I opened it over the workbench. Yeah, that happened.
Oh, crab cakes.
Step 2. With the canister still open, place the vacuum gently on a soft surface or the workbench. And I'm going to use a rubber band to keep the bottom of the canister from getting in my way. That sounds pretty good. Step 3. Remove the screw at the top of the handle using a small Phillips head screwdriver. I'm using a number 1 Phillips. Step 4. Remove the 2 screws at the base of the battery using the same screwdriver. And I don't need to fish out the screws because they'll fall out when I remove the battery. Step 5. Lift up the vacuum and gently pull down on the battery. It should come right out. Now, Dyson sent me a new battery for this vacuum. Thank you, kinda. And I'll share that experience with you once we're done. They also included 3 new screws, but I'm just going to reuse the old ones. Step 6. Slide in the new battery. Step 7. Replace the 2 screws at the bottom of the battery. Then turn it around and replace the screw at the top of the handle. And finally, step 8. Remove the rubber band. Push the motor back down into the canister, close the canister lid, and then charge this sucker for 3.5 hours for 30+ minutes of runtime on the high performance setting, or 6 to 8 minutes on max suction. Man, if I had to charge any of my cordless power tools for 3.5 hours for those mediocre runtimes, I'd dump them and go back to corded tools. Was that a sucker punch? Not a vent. I mean, share my customer service experiences with you while we enjoy some tea and coffee. Our household has 3 generations of these handheld vacs, as well as a Dyson DC39 Animal. 2 of the 4 vacuums had issues within the first year of purchase. That's 50%. Boo. And honestly, I find all 4 vacuums have pros, but some of the cons outweigh the pros in my opinion. I'll have to do a review of these products. Why does our family own 4 Dyson vacs when I'm not that excited about Dyson products? Well, 2 are gifts.
Thank you.
And I know having 4 vacuums is a serious first world problem.
Yeah, it is.
Add in my go-to Miele vac, if that's how you pronounce it, and my 3 shop vacs, and I look like a vacuum salesperson. Don't judge me. I like a clean house. Anyway, while the final outcomes of my dealings with Dyson customer service were acceptable, kinda, the experiences were not. In both cases, I was sent replacement parts, but not before the reps accused me of using the vacuums improperly. One rep accused me of using the Dyson DC39 as a shop vac.
No.
To which I was thinking, buddy, I've got a shop vac. In fact, I've got 3 of them. And not only do they have more capacity than your fancy Dysons, but 2 of them are more powerful.
I got a vac for that.
In the case of the battery-operated V7 Trigger, which is still under warranty, and I've honestly used it maybe 3 times, haven't even removed the tags yet. The rep accused me of not cleaning the filter, which in turn killed the battery. Really? I got the battery red light of death after 3 uses, and it's because I didn't clean the filter? I don't think so. So after explaining a new battery would cost me $100 and more customer shaming, the rep agreed to send me a new battery and filter. Interestingly, the battery they sent isn't the same as the original. It's 46 watt hours versus the original's 44 watt hours, so slightly longer runtime, which is good. However, a quick Google search shows you can get a knockoff replacement battery. They're 75 watt hours for longer runtime. And the knockoffs, which provide more runtime, cost less than $40, so not $100 at all. Blech. Horrible experiences. Anyway, I'm not saying to avoid Dyson products. I'm just sharing my experiences to inform you of what to possibly expect after shelling out all your hard-earned cash. If you'd like to share your Dyson customer service experiences, good, bad, or otherwise, or just commiserate, please do so in the comment section below. And for those of you who are new to my channel and wondering why I haven't shown my face in this video, well, I'm wearing a Biore nose strip. We've got a sitter tonight. It's date night. Gotta look good. If this video's been helpful, please do me a favor and like it. More importantly, please subscribe. That always helps me out. Thanks so much for watching.